and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review on Wiser app. Now Wiser, as you can see, this is the website for Wiser app review. That is wiserapp.com or .co, better still. Now Wiser helps you understand powerful insights in 15 minutes, gives you easy access to the key insights from the world's best books on productivity, business, negotiation, money, investments, health, love, and more. You can download on App Store or on Google Play. Now, what does it do? What are the features? It saves time. That is, it's 5 times more than most people read. And then, it's every time, everywhere. That is beautifully designed for comfortable reading everywhere. You also get unlimited books, one of the most comprehensive library of its kind. It helps you also track your progress, personalized recommendation based on your goals. Also, Wiser becomes smarter every day. The Wiser pick every piece of content according to your goals and needs. You get books customized and enjoy your fun journey to the top. Also, it has a read and listen feature. Wiser gives you access to the key insights from the world's best books. You can listen and read a wide range of books designed to help you think and learn about your self-growth path and gain insights into only 15 minutes book summaries on the go. You also have unlimited books. Learn something new every day from self-growth, happiness, money, health, and many other categories. Benefit from unlimited access to world's best thoughts. You can see so many books here you can get. So, users have said that the app simplifies book into super condensed but easy to digest snippets. Listen to almost all of the arts of saving no during my warm-up and stretch session today. A powerful tool I recommend to anyone who is busy and can't find time to sit down to read. So you can see people love it. It is amazing for curious people who love to learn, busy people who don't have time to read, and even people who aren't into reading. This is the app. So download Wiser. Are you commuting, jogging, or stuck in line? You can enjoy the best books in a condensed format. Summaries have an audio version narrated by professional voice actors. You can also contact them, and their average response time is 72 hours or less. If you won't contact them, you can use this form here, type in your question and click on send message. So empower yourself with the best book insights. That is it about the Wiser app. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a try and let us know in the comment section. Download the Wiser app today.